If your lawn is prone to yearly discoloration or patch formation, you could be dealing with turf pests. Turf pests like chinch bugs, grubs, or sod webworms eat grass and grass roots, and can kill off entire patches of lawn quickly. So in this video, we'll show you how to spot turf pest damage and how to treat common turf pests in your lawn. To shop for the professional products featured in this video and learn even more about turf pest control, click the icon on the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. Turf insects like chinch bugs, grubs, cutworms, and mole crickets are common lawn pests. Most yards will have some turf pests, but populations can grow rapidly, leaving your turf too weak to defend itself. The first visible signs of turf pest activity will look like patches of yellowed, discolored, or dying grass. Generally, the earlier you catch symptoms, the easier it is to treat. So be sure to know any patches you may find in your lawn, including even smaller discolored patches. Turf pests can be split into two categories, surface and subsurface feeders. Surface feeders like chinch bugs, sod webworms, or armyworms eat grass blades, plant stems, and any plant part that is growing above ground. These pests can usually be spotted moving along the grass surface. You can often examine grass blades and plants for visible eaten parts when looking for surface feeding pests. Subsurface feeders like grubs or mole crickets live underground, so they're not typically spotted along the surface. These pests will feed on the roots of grass and other plants. Sometimes the damage will be so great that you can lift up the grass like carpet. Once you've noted where turf pest activity could be taking place, you'll want to conduct up-close inspections to confirm what you're dealing with. Use your hands to comb along the edges of discolored patches of grass. Simply press back on different segments of turf and look for any pest activity. Some pests are attracted to moisture, so you can water your lawn to excite pests and make them easier to spot. For smaller pests like chinch bugs, you can try to conduct a float test with a cylindrical object like a coffee can. Remove the lid and the bottom end of the can. Drive the can about 3 inches into the ground, close to the edges of discolored patches. Then fill the can about 3/4 of the way with water. You'll need to continually add water to maintain the level for about 10 minutes. Occasionally agitate the water while you wait. If any turf pests are present, they'll float to the surface. To look for subsurface feeders, you'll need to dig below the surface to see these underground pests. You'll want to dig up a 1 square foot patch about 3 inches deep along the edge of any patches you found. Lift up the grass and note if there's any pest activity. You may see a couple turf pests, but if there's a high number clustered in that square foot patch, then you'll need to treat your lawn. Once you've confirmed the presence of turf pests, you can proceed to treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE. And remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To get rid of turf pests, you'll need to use insecticides labeled for turf pest control, like Bifen LP and Dominion 2L. Bifen LP is a granular insecticide that will need to be watered into the soil, so we also recommend following up with a broadcast treatment of Dominion 2L. Dominion 2L is a systemic insecticide, so it'll be absorbed into the turf grass. When pests feed on the grass blades, they'll be poisoned and die. These insecticides together will cast a wide net, ensuring that both surface and subsurface turf pests are effectively eliminated from your lawn. To start, calculate the treatment area's square footage by measuring the area's length and width and multiplying them together. You'll use this to determine how much product you need to use. Treating just the spots you found turf pests will not guarantee that they won't move to other areas. You'll make a broadcast application of the Bifen granules over your entire lawn. Bifen LP is a granular insecticide, so we recommend using a push spreader to apply the labeled rate of 1.15 to 4.6 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area, depending on your pest. For residential lawn applications, use 2.3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. If chinch bug, mole cricket, and other pest presence is high, use the higher rate for effective control. Load your spreader with the proper amount of Bifen LP and evenly distribute all of it throughout your treatment area. Broadcast half your granules in parallel lines across your area, then broadcast the other half at a perpendicular angle to cover the area in its entirety. Once you've finished the Bifen LP application, it will need to be watered into the soil to reach the turf's root zone. Do this with an application of Dominion 2L. Dominion 2L is a liquid insecticide concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. Dominion won't only aid in activating the Bifen granules, but it'll also provide effective control of turf pests and many other insects for up to 90 days. To treat turf pests with Dominion, apply the labeled rate of 0.46 to 0.6 fluid ounces of Dominion 2L per 1,000 square feet of treatment area, depending on your pest. We recommend using a 20-gallon hose and sprayer since you'll make broad applications throughout the entire lawn, and you'll want to use enough water to push the Bifen granules and the Dominion treatment down into the soil. To treat isolated areas of turf, you may also use a 1-gallon or 1.5-gallon sprayer. To use the 20-gallon hose and sprayer, remove the reservoir from the nozzle. Make sure the sprayer's control valve and your water pump are off, then attach the nozzle to the hose. Add the proper amount of Dominion 2L, then fill the reservoir with enough water to treat the entire lawn. To make sure you thoroughly coat the area and water in the Bifen granules, use 2 gallons of water per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Double check to make sure your control valve and water pump are still off, then reattach the reservoir to the nozzle. Once you've ensured a tight connection, you can now turn on the water. To spray, push forward on the control valve. To stop, simply pull the valve back into the off position. To kill turf pests in your lawn, evenly distribute the entire amount of product over your treatment area. As you make your application, keep an eye on the amount of product you have left in the sprayer's reservoir. When the liquid in the reservoir runs out, no product will be applied. Dominion 2L is labeled for use in ornamental plant beds as well, but the product's active ingredient is very toxic to bees and other pollinators, so only apply to landscape beds when pollinators are not actively foraging and when plants are not flowering. To prevent turf pests in your lawn, use common lawn care strategies. Weak grass will be susceptible to turf pest damage, so keeping your grass healthy will reduce and keep down symptoms to unnoticeable levels. Rake and dethatch your lawn to aerate your grass and maintain airflow. This will help nutrients and sunlight reach your turf and also facilitates evaporation and drainage. When watering your lawn, water properly. Your lawn needs 1 to 1.5 inches of water every week, whether that's through rainfall or irrigation. Water your lawn once a week on the same day in the morning. It's better to water deeply once a week than do it a little every day. A deep watering schedule will ensure your grass gets the water it needs and strengthens the roots to fight damage and disease. Be sure to stick to a proper mowing schedule to reduce thatch. Your grass should be 3 to 4 inches in height, and mowing should remove no more than 30% of the grass's current height. You typically mow once a week during your grass's growing season. Make sure you don't over-fertilize your lawn. Excessive fertilizer will not only encourage thatch formation, it will also encourage the development of lawn disease. If you find it necessary to fertilize your lawn, try using a slow-release fertilizer to reduce risk. Finally, be sure to conduct follow-up applications of Dominion 2L and Bifen LP every 3 months to ensure total control of your lawn. These applications will not only stop turf pest activity from taking place, but these products also have a broad control spectrum designed to stop many other pests as well. Turf pests may come in a wide variety, but you can control them yourself with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. These products will help you get control of turf pests in your lawn, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.